I made $10,000 in 90 days just by selling simple PDF files. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process on how to achieve the same results. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to leave a like, turn on your notification on so you don't get to miss any video from me, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe. Your subscription means a lot to me. So let's get into the nitty-gritty. Today, I'm bringing to you my blueprint, the blueprint I use, my step-by-step process I use on how I achieve my $10,000 by selling a single PDF file. So I'm going to be starting by showing you guys the PDF file and how much I made. And you can see on the screen, here is how much I made from selling this PDF file in 90 days. I generated this PDF file myself with the use of Canva. You can see on your screen, here is my PDF file. This is my PDF file, which is named 40 Days Weight Loss Smoothie Plan. These are my covers, my PDF covers. I can open them for you guys to see. Open, preview. This is my PDF covers that I created. 14 Days Weight Loss Smoothie Plan. I even put on my website on it. This is the ebook. It's made up of 36 pages. I'm gonna just scroll through so you get to see. Introduction. So these are the things that I did. Breakfast, day one, breakfast, dinner, the different things that you need to do in order, the different fruits and smoothies that you need to do in order to lose weight, and the recommendations that I did. So these are all my informations, 36 pages. That's it. You can see on your screen. So this is to show you that I'm not lying. Whatever I'm telling you right now is something that I did on my own. It's something that I created to make money. So that aside, what are you going to be doing? What are the process that you need to do? Firstly, you need to generate your PDF idea. Your PDF file idea. Your PDF file idea should be maybe create a solution to a particular situation, a solution to a particular problem. For example, my own idea was solving the issue of weight loss. People that need to lose weight. I saw that many people are into fitness nowadays. People want to lose weight in the easiest and fastest possible way. That is why I came out with a smoothie plan idea. For you, it can be growing your social media account from 0 to 100,000 followers. For another person, it can be AI tools, best AI tools to use in this generation in order to scale your business. For another person, it might be how to scale your business from thousands to 6 figures every year. So there are different ideas that you can use. These ideas you can generate using ChatGPT, Claude AI, Gemini, whatever platform that you want to use. You can ask ChatGPT to generate you best ideas or ideas that can easily sell in the digital space. Secondly, what you're going to be doing is creating, after you get your idea, the second process is to create the PDF file. The second process is to create, whether it's for social media, how to grow your social media, whether it's for bed. Since I'm referencing my own situation, my next process was to create my PDF file. So what I did was I had a Canva account. You don't need a premium or a pro account. The Canva basic account can create you any PDF file that you can think of. So with the eminence of AI right now, it's very easier for you to create these PDF files because all you need to do, go to Claude AI, put in a prompt of your idea, and AI can help you generate content for that particular idea. This is my Canva account. You can see this is my Canva account, and I do have different projects I've done. So this is my ebook that I created. I created this ebook a long time ago. If you come to my Canva profile, you will see that I created this ebook with my Canva account. This is it, canva.com design. So you can see it, it's on Canva. And if you don't want to create from scratch, what you can do is you can come on templates. You can click on templates. You want to click on templates and you type ebooks with multiple pages. When you come on here, you scroll down, you get to see different ebooks on different topics. So as I said before, you can start from scratch or you can copy a particular template and edit the template. So you can look for maybe a template on the topic you're talking about. Or for example, let's say my smoothie plan. Smoothie plan ebook. Let's say something like this. So these are different smoothie ebooks that you can see. So what you can do is just click on one of these. When you click on this, Customize. Canva is going to tell you to customize this template, and you click on customize. Under the customization, that's where you want to edit the information to suit what you are talking about. You want to edit. This template is about meal plan. It's about healthy diets, but maybe you might be talking about a smoothie plan like mine. So you want to edit it and put in your own information on it. So it's customized to your own information if you don't want to start from scratch. So this is what I did. I came on Canva, I looked for templates, and I generated my ebook with the use of Claude AI. I generated using with the use of Claude AI and with the little knowledge that I had. That is how I generated my ebook. Then after that, you create your ebook cover, your different informations using same Canva. So the next stage is to sell your ebook. We should choose a platform that you're going to sell your ebook to. There are different platforms. You have Gumroad, you have Etsy, you have Creative Market, you have Payhip. There are different platforms, but I'm going to be honest with you. The easiest platform is Etsy, because Etsy gives you the traffic. People are already on Etsy. It gives you the maximum traffic that you need. But with me, I started with Gumroad, then later I went to Etsy. With Gumroad, you have to do a lot of work. So even with Etsy, you still need to promote your ebook, because if you want more traffic, you still need to promote, because there's a lot of competition on the site. Many people are selling digital products on Etsy. So you want to promote. And what you're going to be doing is to generate traffic for your ebook. Create a TikTok account. You want to create a TikTok account based on your PDF idea. So what I did for mine was I created a smoothie plan TikTok account, and I started posting content around smoothies, content around weight loss, content around how to lose weight in so and so, the kind of juice to take to consume, and so on. You can see on my screen the contents that I was posting, how I was posting every day. So what you want to do is get this content. You don't need to generate the content from scratch. What I did was I sought out content from Pinterest, from Instagram, from Google. I screenshotted so many different contents. As you can see, some of them are just images, some of them are videos of how somebody's making smoothies, some of them are different things. You can see on my screen as I'm scrolling the content that I posted on my TikTok page. So what you want to do is create your TikTok account. After creating, you want to sort out this content and schedule them. You don't want to be posting them every day. That's time consuming. You want to sort out this content, schedule them on TikTok Studio app. The TikTok Studio app, if you don't have it on your phone, download it. And when you get this content, you schedule them on the TikTok Studio app. For it, you can post. What I was doing was I post 2 to 3 times a day. I'll post in the morning and I'll post in the evenings. Some days I'll post in the morning, I'll post in the afternoon and in the evenings. So that is what you're going to be doing. And on your TikTok bio, you want to post the link of your Etsy ebook, of your PDF ebook. You want to post your link. So whatever post you are posting on TikTok, make sure to direct the followers or the people that consume your content to your bio in order to get your ebook. That is where the traffic is going to come from. So you want to schedule this post. For me, practically, I started getting traffic the second month. When I started the first month, there was no traffic. Towards the middle of the second month, that's when I started gaining traffic. My videos started getting 10K, 20K. That is the process on how you're going to be gaining traffic. You can still create, if you want to drive more traffic, you can still create an Instagram account and be posting there also. But I would advise you stick to TikTok. That is where most of the traffic, you can easily gain traffic. Instagram is kind of difficult to grow, so I would prefer you choose TikTok. The hardest part has been done. You have created your ebook, you've posted it, created your account on Etsy or Gumroad, and you've looked for a way to start generating traffic for your content. You just have to be patient. I'm going to be honest with you. Within the first 2 months, you might not have any sales. You might not have any sales. I'm going to be honest. You might have 1 or 2 sales, but nothing big, because you're still trying to gain traffic, and there's a lot of competition on these websites, on this market. So you just have to be patient. It's not something. Lastly, I'm going to say you can also generate money different ways, through affiliate marketing, through upsell, through coaching, through any other thing. Even as you're posting on TikTok, when you get to 10,000 subscribers, TikTok can start paying you. The PDF can give you 80% of the income, but there are different things that can give you money, like affiliate marketing, like different stuff. You can even sign up for affiliate marketing programs like Digistore 24. They do have nice products there that they give you 60% to 70% commission when you make a sale. So you just have to sign up to the site and you get your affiliate link, you put it on your TikTok. Make sure that it relates to the content. That if you're talking about weight loss, make sure when you sign up to Digistore or to Clickbank is also a good affiliate program. You make sure that you choose a product that corresponds to the post, to your TikTok account. For example, if you're doing smoothie content, make sure when you go on Clickbank or Digi Store, you pick a product about smoothie, about weight loss, and you get your affiliate link, you put it on your TikTok bio with your PDF file. So you see that you can be making money from two different things at once, your PDF file and affiliate program. So that is very important. So identify your PDF topic, spend few hours generating your content around that topic, then create your TikTok account. Very important. Even if you're signing up with Etsy, they have the traffic, but you need more traffic in order for you to grow. Create your TikTok account. Sign up to an affiliate program. I always say, sign up. If you create your TikTok account, make sure you sign up also to an affiliate program so you can be making more money for yourself. You will not depend only on the PDF, because the PDF will make you money, but the first few months you will not be seeing money. I started making money from the third month. The first 2 months I made just 5 sales, but during around early third month, that's when I started getting traffic because my TikTok account was growing. People were liking my posts. They were clicking on my link, my PDF link, and they were buying the product. And most importantly, pricing. When pricing your product, make sure to start small. You don't want to start pricing a huge sum. You are just starting. So when I started pricing from 14.99. Then later on, I went to 19.99. Then later on, I went to 24.99. So you don't want to start pricing. When you're making much sales, that's when you want to grow up. The more you make sales, you want to think about, you can increase your prices every after 3 or 4 months. So it's just when you're starting up, don't give an exorbitant price. Don't start pricing from $30, $35. Start pricing from at most 19.99 or $20. That's very important. Then, because there are many people on the platform that are also selling what you're selling, and they're selling for less more the price. So make sure you keep that in mind. And that's the end of our video. If you did enjoy this and you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll get back to you. If you don't know how to go about it, you can ask your questions in the comment section. And do not forget to turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I bring a video to you guys. And most importantly, do well to subscribe, do well to leave a like. And ciao, ciao. Thank you all.